Hey gang, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You're going to find me at all those fun places, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and probably a few others. Just Google me. This is the February Target Beauty Box with the theme, Love Yourself. In the words of RuPaul, if you can't love yourself, how the hell you gonna love somebody else? Can I get an amen up in here? Amen. So, let's get into these Love Yourself products. So yes, the February Target Beauty Box. Actually, like normally I don't keep these boxes, I just recycle them. But this one's actually cute, so I might. Like normally I'll only keep my Birch boxes, because each one's different. And now lately, all these have been, this one's just so cute, I might have to keep it. Anyway, love yourself. It says hot date with your SO, binging rom-coms with your besties. Valentine's Day might be all about romance, but it's also that one special day where you get to love yourself a little bit more. So they rounded up some beauty sweet treats to pamper yourself with some extra TLC. And as always, all the products listed, plus a coupon for $3 off a beauty purchase of $15 or more. But hey, I always have a ton of products, so I never really have to buy products. So there's that. So we have the Nexxus Color Assure Vibrancy shampoo and conditioner, which I love. Target puts these on the lids now because we all gave them feedback when crap leaked. So they're awesome. So it's Color Assure, long-lasting vibrancy, protein fusion, and it has a polymer to lock in your color. Yay! But, you know, if you want to go a couple days without shampooing your hair, guess what? Love Beauty and Planet Citrus Peel Radical Refresher Dry Shampoo. It refreshes your hair with an energizing spritz of citrus so that it stays bouncy and full of life. Then we have Pantene Air Spray. It's an alcohol-free air spray. Who doesn't love that? Take care of pesky flyaways by putting it, spray your hairbrush, and then brush your hair. It'll get rid of those pesky flyaways. Unless you have fine hair like me, and then you're just fucked. That's just what it is. Number 7, Laboratories Line Correcting Boosting Serum. You can actually mix serum into your moisturizer, eye cream, or foundation for an extra boost, which this is so small, might have to do that. And we have the K-Bella Selfie Ready Sheet Mask. It smooths and tones your skin while tightening your pores, so that you have a selfie-ready complexion. And it says on the hashtag, no filter necessary. Let's be honest, we still like the filters. Then we have Dove 2-in-1. Oh, more shampoo. Dermacare Scalp 2-in-1 Clean and Fresh shampoo and conditioner. Shampoo and conditioner. It's like the lazy male shampoo. It's kind of, I don't like it. I'm bougie about my shampoo, I'm sorry. But hey, I'll still try it. We'll still see. I don't think it'll work. I like to keep my shampoo and my shampoo and my conditioner separate. But we'll try it. We'll see. Then finally, Native, which is new to Target, coconut and vanilla deodorant. It is a coconut and vanilla deodorant that is long-lasting, and I believe it is aluminum free. It smells freaking awesome though. I know I said in another video I was going to take that deodorant on vacation, but Look how tiny this is. It's perfect for travel. So, that's the Target beauty box. That is where to find me. I hope y'all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. That's it. Stay beautiful. Catch you next time.